Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can transform your life, finding and achieving your unique purpose. Let's get started. First things first, what does it mean to have a unique purpose? Your unique purpose is the reason you wake up excited each day, the thing that makes you feel alive and fulfilled. It's not just a job or a hobby, it's a calling. Step 1 is self-reflection. Grab a journal, find a quiet space, and ask yourself these questions. What are my passions? What activities make me lose track of time? What are my natural talents? Write down everything that comes to mind. This is your chance to explore who you really are. Remember, there are no wrong answers here. Step 2 is identifying your values. Your values are the principles that guide your life. Think about what matters most to you. Is it freedom, creativity, helping others, or maybe personal growth? Knowing your values will help you align your purpose with what truly matters to you. Let's take a quick example. If helping others is one of your core values, think about how your purpose can incorporate that. Step 3 is vision boarding. Create a visual representation of your dreams and goals. This can be a physical board with cutout images and words, or a digital version. Seeing your vision daily keeps you motivated and focused. Have fun with this. Let your creativity flow. And remember, your vision board should reflect your true desires and aspirations. Step 4 is setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your big dreams into smaller, manageable steps that you can achieve. For example, if your purpose is to inspire others through dance, a SMART goal could be to post one dance video a week for the next 3 months. By the way, comment below and let us know what your SMART goals are. Step 5 is taking action. Start working on your goals, one step at a time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Begin now. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Celebrate small wins and learn from any setbacks. Every step you take is a step closer to your purpose. And hey, share your progress with us on social media using our hashtag #HackPurposeJourney. Step 6 is reflecting and adjusting. Regularly check in with yourself. Are you moving in the right direction? Are your goals still aligned with your purpose? Don't be afraid to make changes if needed. Life is a journey, and your purpose can evolve over time. And here's a bonus tip. Seek inspiration. Read books, watch documentaries, talk to people who inspire you. Sometimes a fresh perspective can ignite new ideas and motivations. Let inspiration fuel your journey. There you have it, a process for finding and achieving your unique purpose. Remember, your journey is unique to you, so embrace it with all your heart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more inspiring content. Keep dancing, keep smiling, and keep shining. See you in the next video. Bye.